Introducing STEMLAB. Stem cell therapy offers unprecedented therapeutic potential. In clinical trials, stem cell therapy has proven effective in treating nerve damages. Existing methods of obtaining the necessary stem cells, however, suffer from serious limitations that have prevented the development of treatments. For example, procuring embryonic stem cells not only raises serious ethical concerns, but also presents supply problems. Induced pluripotent stem cell technology appears promising, but its therapeutic use has been hampered by fears that the technique could cause tumors. At STEMLAB, we are developing therapeutic solutions to treat diseases and injuries that have no alternative cures. In particular, we develop cells that can regenerate the central nervous system tissues based on our cell reprogramming technology that transforms somatic cells into stem cells by introducing a set of genes and a unique set of chemical cocktails. As we obtain our cells through urine, so harvesting is much less invasive than using cells obtained by bone marrow or skin biopsy. Though our initial target is spinal cord injury and ALS, we will further expand our targets to include age and genetically related diseases such as multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's. The current total market size for the treatment of spinal cord injuries is about $2.3 billion. We will acquire about 5% of this market by targeting new occurrences of spinal cord injuries and those in the top income bracket. We are also targeting patients in industrialized countries and regions such as North America, Japan, Europe, South Korea, and China. The market size for ALS treatment is about $306 million. There are also large markets for other conditions we are ultimately targeting, including $4.2 billion for Parkinson's disease. There are just a handful of companies that deal with stem cell therapies to regenerate the central nervous system. Fortuna fixed therapies are invasive, while Neurostem used aborted fetal stem cells, a project that has since been dropped, proving that commercial projects need to be based around a feasible stem cell source. Lineage cell therapeutics uses a technique that may cause the formation of tumors. We are the only company in the world that has developed the technology to directly reprogram somatic cells into neural stem cells, eliminating the tumor risk associated with the iPSC technique. STEMLAB boasts 18 patents for original technology related to stem cell treatments and has 3 patents for application technology, with another 5 pending. Our cell reprogramming technology is based on a set of core molecular pathways that influence cell differentiation. Our primary means of reprogramming include our unique sets of chemical cocktails, but sometimes combined with other non-integrated methods to ensure repeatability and stability. By taking fully differentiated cells and reprogramming them into neural stem cells, we can obtain the stem cells necessary to create treatments without having to enter the ethical minefield associated with embryonic stem cell research. Our superior culture media for cell reprogramming is a rich source of cytokines and growth factors that can open new possibilities in healing wounds. They can become a strong augmentation to existing wound healing products and technologies currently in the market. STEMLAB will license our tech therapies to major global pharmaceutical companies. We will also offer our research-use stem cells to global reagent sellers. Our license model is to earn upfront payments from global pharmaceutical companies for milestones and additional funds from royalties. We will price our treatment at $500,000 per shot. Once clinical trials are completed and we've received approval from various national authorities, we will offer our treatments to patients suffering from spinal cord injuries and ALS. We will capture at least 5% of our market within 3 to 5 years post-commercial approval. Like most biotech companies of our size, much of our marketing effort focuses on local and international expositions and conferences such as BioKorea, BioUSA, Biopartnering at JPM, and Cell and Gene Meeting on the MESA. Naturally, we will also publish extensively in scientific journals. Through these efforts, we will build up a network of neurosurgeons in our target markets who will be our clinical partners. STEMLAB has attracted about $18 million in Series A funding, including investment from many of South Korea's leading institutional investors in biotech. We will conclude preclinical trials for our spinal cord treatment in the early part of 2021 and begin Phase 1 clinical trials towards the end of that year. Phase 1 clinical trials of our ALS treatment will start about the same time as the trial for spinal cord injury. The company has received numerous awards for its pioneering work, including the Ministry of Industry Award at the 2019 Korea Tech Show. It has also been selected to take part in several government-sponsored projects, including research programs on treatments of spinal cord injuries and ALS. STEMLAB's cell reprogramming technology is based on the pioneering scientific work done by co-founder and Professor Yu Seung-won of Korea University. Professor Yu has from early on focused on discovering molecular pathways that will engender early development stages of various cells that can be of clinical value by using methods that are clinically safe. STEMLAB's team consists largely of scientists from Professor Yu's lab. Key developers have worked with Professor Yu as PhD students and postdocs. 2 of them have been with the company since early 2014. STEMLAB would like to secure another $20 to $30 million in Series B investment to further our research and develop our business. This will be enough to complete local Phase 1 trials for one treatment. During that process, we aim to complete our IPO. We are also very keen to meet with venture capital firms and global pharmaceutical companies to discuss opportunities for investment and collaboration. Are you interested in joining us in our journey? We'll be very happy to tell you more. Thank you.